guys, so I received this very awesome Mother's Day gift, and this was bought from edamama website. I hope that you will enjoy this unboxing as much as I will. Sit down here. Come here. Sit down. You open this one. Wow! This is for mommy. This one is for Ellie. For daddy. This one is for mommy. Then there's a big box inside. Mommy, that one is for Ellie. Oh. What is that? Whoa. Wow. Mommy, a whitening cream. Postnatal whitening cream. Tiny boss. So here's my gift. Meron pa rin kay Ellie talaga. But this one is for me. It's an organizer. And kita naman, diba? I'm so happy. I love to organize my things. Dapat ang dami kong organizer dito sa bahay. And this will be added na. So, may mga plans na ako ng mga ilalagay dito. It will be in my work area. So, yan yung kakabisihan ko mamaya. Also, my gift is from Buds and Blooms naman na postnatal whitening cream. So, after this pregnancy, I know I will be needing this one. So, I'll use this one, then tingnan natin if it will be perfect for me. So, yan siya. Okay siya for darkened area like the neck, underarms, elbow, and belly. Diba? Parang alam na talaga yung gagamitan sa kanya after this pregnancy kasi sobrang lapit na. So guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing, get one also for your mommy, for your mother ng mga friends, or anyone na kakilala nyo ng mga mommies din. Edamama website, I will share you their website later. They have a Mother's Day sale on May 8. May 8 will start on May 8 to 12. So you can order gifts, makapili kayo doon, sobrang dami. Nang maka-order kayo ng mga gifts for your mom, then you can just tick doon yung gift wrap, naka-gift wrap. Then there will also be a parang blank na area where you can put your message, and it will be shipped directly to your mother or to someone na gusto nyo makakatanggap ng Mother's Day gift mo. And surely, they will enjoy it like me, diba? Kita-kita nyo naman. So, advance happy Mother's Day to all mommies out there. And I hope that you enjoy this unboxing with me. Thank you for watching!